A popular hiking spot, Eaton Canyon Trail, is shut down once again. So many people showed up this holiday weekend, it was nearly impossible to follow social distancing guidelines. CBS 2's Kara Finnstrom joins us live from Altadena with more on what led to that closure. Kara, good morning to you.
Good morning, DeMarco. Big crowds out here, and behind us you can see the flashing sign already up this morning, letting folks who come out here know this canyon's trails are closed today. County leaders say overwhelming crowds showed up over the weekend. Many folks just were not following public safety rules, and they said that put others at risk. Take a look. Someone posted this video to Twitter of a crowd at the Eaton Canyon waterfall. They wanted to remain anonymous, but were frustrated by what they saw. LA County Parks knew this was going to be a busy weekend. They added trail monitors and horse-mounted patrols, and they say when it became clear folks were crowded together without face coverings, they closed the trails and the nature areas here for the rest of the Memorial Day weekend. We also have overhead video of the canyon shot later in the day as a few folks were still heading out. Law enforcement was staged at all entrances. LA County reopened trails during stage 2 of the recovery, but encouraged people to avoid overly crowded spots. They also posted some new public safety requirements. Take a look. To keep trails open, they stress all hiking groups need to remain 6 feet of social distancing between them. Face coverings are required for anyone over age 2 at trailheads and wherever there are other people, and group gatherings are not allowed. Now back here alive, this area also saw lots of traffic on these neighborhood streets. The cars clogged the streets, so did people on foot. So again, today everything shut down within the canyon for Memorial Day, and this large flashing sign also signs that the other entrances will let folks know. DeMarco, Suzanne, anyone who wants to head out and hike today should really check the LA County website first. It'll be updated with any other possible closures.